Welcome. Here we are on this rainy August day. It's been almost, I think, a month since we've had any rain, so we're overdue. Today we're talking about this 2020 Infiniti QX60 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This is one we took in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming in trade for new Infinitis, and this QX60 is no exception. Clean Carfax, very nicely equipped with features, really cool color combination, a little bit of a rarer color. This one is called Deep Bordeaux on graphite leather. So this is a 2020 Infiniti QX60 LUXE all-wheel drive. It has the essential package that was $2,900, giving you an around view monitor, front and rear sonar sensors. You have Infiniti radiant illuminated kick plates. Then we have in-touch navigation system with voice commands, and then leather appointed seating as well. Then this has a Pro Assist package that was $1,950, giving you additional parking sensors for the front and rear, auto dimming side mirrors, intelligent cruise control, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, blind spot intervention, and backup collision intervention. And this lovely shade of Deep Bordeaux is a $500 premium color. 2020 is the last year of this particular generation of the QX60. They skipped a model year, so there's no such thing as a 2021 QX60, and they went right to 2022. So there's no 2021 QX60, they went right to 2022 with a completely redesigned QX60. We do have a few pre-owned, and obviously we have new QX60s as well, but they're a little bit a higher price point than the older generation of the QX60. So this 2020 is a welcome addition into our inventory because this is a little bit more affordable versus a newer redesigned QX60. So if you're in the market for a third row mid-size luxury crossover, this particular QX60 is a great one to look at a great value. This one has a beautiful perforated leather interior. We have a moonroof, power and heated front seats. We have a drive mode selector. Of course, as we mentioned, this has navigation. We have an around view camera. You can change views as well. Great for low speed maneuvering because with these B and C pillars and headrests, visibility can be kind of crappy in these things. So having this around view monitor is a big help. Adaptive cruise control, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. The steering wheel is also heated. Blind spot warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, a whole suite of safety features. Oh man, now it's starting to rain. I guess I'm getting this video done just in time. The QX60 is a very nicely styled vehicle. Beautiful exterior lines. Even though this is the older generation, I don't think it looks dated at all. It is a very nice looking vehicle indeed. We have a nice spacious interior, nice comfortable second row seating. The second row seating, it slides back and forth. It also reclines, so you have plenty of room back here. You have rear climate control, USB-C, and USB connectivity. Third row access is pretty easy, as you can see. This one is all-wheel drive, or front-wheel drive. A standard intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. The reason why they call it intelligent all-wheel drive is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% front-wheel drive to save on gas, and then it will send power to the rear wheels as needed. The second and third row seats fold fairly flat. You have some additional storage under here. That is the subwoofer for the Bose sound system. If you like music, you'll definitely appreciate the Bose sound system. You have integrated grocery hook holders, tie downs. For those of you who have kids in forward facing car seats like me, the second row passenger side second row seat has a latch system designed to have a forward facing car seat in place and the ability to fold the seat forward with that forward facing car seat in place without having to remove it. The way the latch system is designed is you don't have to take the car seat out in order to fold the seat forward for third row access. Some of the competition, you actually do have to do that. You have to remove the car seat in order to fold the seat forward for third row access. Kind of a pain. Well, Infiniti obviously was thinking of families when they were developing the QX60. One of the greatest aspects of the QX60 is the award-winning VQ35 engine. You have maintenance-free timing chains, direct injection, pumps out 295 horsepower. These are fantastic engines. I've seen plenty of these engines with 200 and over 300,000 miles variations of these engines. I've been to Infiniti about 19 years. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.